Let's say that we are offered by our bank a savings rate of 2.5%, and over the course of 5 years, we want to save $25,000. What is the monthly amount we need to save over the 5 years to reach our goal? Well, using the payment function, this is easy to find out. Let's call our payment function, and our first variable is our constant interest rate per period. Since we are given a monthly interest rate, we need to divide it by 12 to get our rate per month, as the 2.5 is an annual savings rate. Then, our next parameter is the number of payments, which is the number of deposits to our savings account. Therefore, we are saving monthly for 5 years, so 5 times 6, and that's going to be 30 deposits. Then, we have our present value, and let's say we initially have 0 in our savings, therefore our present value of the savings account is 0. Lastly, we have our future value. This is the value that we want to save to. Therefore, think of this as the future value of our savings account, and like we said, that's going to be $25,000. As you can see here, we are returned a negative value. This is because the payment function always returns a negative by default. Therefore, if you wish, you can just add a negative out in front of the function to eliminate that. Therefore, you can see that we need to save this amount every month to reach our savings goal. I hope that this video helped you learn something about the payment function within Microsoft Excel. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and consider checking out our YouTube memberships by clicking that join button down below. However, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns about the information I provided in this video, please leave a comment down below and I will do my best to address your concerns.